So I'll be doing a video every single day for 15 days. Is that crazy?
Yeah.
We have a bunch of crafts coming your way because there's a bunch of other DIYers, YouTubers that have put this together, and I'm super honored to be a part of that. We're also doing a huge giveaway sponsored by a bunch of really cool craft people. They're also doing their videos every single day. We're gonna be using the hashtag craft for the curve. Check out in the description if you wanna see. I'm also sponsoring the giveaway as well, so you'd be able to get some stuff from me and other really awesome craft companies. Can you say hi to my people in the camera?
No.
There's no people in there, huh?
No, it's only us in there.
It's just us in the camera, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to tell the camera what your name is?
Mason.
Mason. And what are we doing today?
Painting.
We are painting rocks because it is quarantine time. And everybody's stuck at home and we need to do things that are easy and things that we already have. So I picked this craft, honestly, because this was what we were gonna do today. We went on a walk and this little guy picked up some rocks and I asked him if he wanted to paint rocks and he wouldn't let me go do anything else until we were done, right? You were adamant that we were going to paint our rocks. So which paintbrush do you want today? White will look good on a rock because a rock is dark, and if you put white on it, it should show up pretty good.
Yeah.
Any other colors? You want pink?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, we missed this spot. Which one? Purple?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we got, what colors do we have?
Purple, red, blue, orange, yellow, blue, and orange, and blue, and white, and pink.
Good job, high five. You got all those colors right.
Colors right now?
Yes, let's just go crazy. You can use them all, really. We can share. Yeah. Do you know what this thing is that we're working on? I'm actually gonna move it over. This is this close. It is almost paper, but it's my silicone craft mat. Do you know why people love this?
Yeah.
Because you can paint on it and you can wipe the paint off really good.
Yeah.
And if it gets messy, you can just clean it off. And it's gonna protect my surface. You guys can get it at shopauntietay.com. But we love the silicone mat, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even think you know what I'm talking about.
We're painting rocks.
We're painting rocks today.
Beautiful.
Here's a quick tip, and I don't think he intended to do this, but is your shirt inside out?
No.
No. Is it backwards?
No.
No.
If I mix paint.
But that's a cool tip, is if you don't have a shirt and you want to get some, do some paint.
Yeah.
Oh, you're mixing the colors. Ooh, I like it. Oh, you got a whole rainbow on one brush.
Yeah.
That is so fancy. Any age would like this.
There's no people there.
I'm not talking to anybody.
No, it's just us.
It's just us. Auntie's a little crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Auntie is crazy. She just talks to the camera. It'll probably keep us entertained for 10, maybe 15 minutes. So if you're doing this with older kids, something that's really fun is to stipple your rocks to do dots on the rocks.
I'm done.
All done?
Yep.
I'd encourage you to get more rocks, bigger rocks, find rocks of any size, anywhere. And do you think I'm crazy?
Yeah.
Who do you? I'm not talking to anybody.
Look.
So I'm gonna stipple a rock though. Do you know what stippling is?
No.
Stippling is when you paint with dots.
Oh.
And you can use the back of your brush, or you can, I'm gonna stipple this one. Can I do this one? Okay, I'm gonna show you. It's really cool, okay? I'm gonna use the back of my brush. Perfect. Put it right on the silicone mat. Okay, I'm gonna probably take this off because I don't want to get paint on it.
Ooh, that's pretty nice.
It's pretty nice, huh? And then you can change the color out. You know what we'd also probably should need? A tissue. Okay, I'm gonna use orange. That looks so good. Really, I would encourage you to do this outside if you have some sunshine. It'd be really easy to do out on a table outside. You're trying to make watercolor? Yeah. I love your color theory.
Thanks.
What colors did you make when you mixed them together?
I don't know.
You want to see how you make a little watercolor?
Yeah.
So we can put a little water in the paint, and that will make it like watercolor. So let's do this and mix it.
Yeah.
So use your brush to mix that up. And so we don't waste the paint,
Yeah.
we just use the water. Where are you going?
I'm going to put this a little bit close.
Oh, okay. You can also use art to teach science to some of your littles. Right now we're going to experiment what happens when we put paint in water, right?
Yeah.
So it was clear. What does clear mean? Do you know what clear means?
No.
It means you can see through it.
Yeah.
Were you able to, here, let's look at the water. Can you see through it?
No.
Can you see Uncle Dustin through there? If you look hard enough?
No.
You
Use the containers.
put water in the containers? Good word, I like that. That's a big word. That's so fun. Can I finish it first? No! I was making a masterpiece! Good thing rocks are free and I have a lot of paint. I can make another one.
Wow.
These are really fun to put in the garden if you actually get them fully painted. You could send a sweet note to your neighbors with a hand-painted rock to put in their gardens. Lots of ways to give back during this time. Maybe make a garden rock for all your neighbors. Have the kids make garden rocks for all the neighbors and bring them to the neighbors. Obviously, just leave them in their garden or at their doorstep. They don't have to touch it. They can put it in their garden later. Yeah. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Say don't forget to subscribe.